Hello student, today we are going to discuss about difference equation. So concept of a difference equation is similar to the concept of a differential equation. So how we define any difference equation? An equation which expresses the relation between the independent variable and the successive differences of a dependent variable is called a difference equation. Suppose here the y is a dependent variable depends on a x, means x is an independent variable, and their successive differences with the del yx, del 2yx, del 2yx, del 3yx up to del nyx, del nyx. Here x is a what? X is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable. So you may also write this one is a 0th order forward difference of a y. So these are the different successive differences of a dependent variable. So what is the definition? Definition is an equation which expresses the relation between the independent variable. Independent variable is a what? Here independent variable is a x, and successive differences of a dependent variable. Dependent variable is a y, and successive differences are del yx, del 2yx, del 3yx, del 4yx up to del nxy. Ln yx. So a relation between x and successive differences of the dependent variable. So for example, if we try to write here example 1, if we write del 2 yx plus del yx equal what? Equal x square plus 2x plus 1. So if we closely observe, this one is an equation which expresses the relation between independent variable and successive differences of a dependent variable. Here independent variable is a x and dependent variable is a y. So this difference equation is written in form of a what? In form of a forward difference operator. You may also write this difference equation in terms of another difference operator. For example, if we try to write this one in terms of a shift operator. So just we use the relation between forward difference operator and shift operator. So what is the relation between forward difference operator and shift operator? Relation is a del equal e minus 1. E minus 1. So just put the value of del equal e minus 1, then above equation become what? E minus 1 whole square yx plus e minus 1 yx. This one equal right hand side x square plus 2x plus 1. So if we simplify this difference equation, then this become e square plus 1 minus 2e yx plus e minus 1 yx equal x square plus 2x plus 1. So if we simplify more, means equating the coefficient of a yx, then this become e square plus 1 minus 2e and plus e minus 1 yx equal x square plus 2x plus 1. So if we simplify this one, then what will happen? If we write here in this left corner, then what is the result? Result become, here if we simplify this one, this become e square and minus 2e plus e become e plus, sorry, not a plus, this become minus. So just we, this become minus 2e plus e become what? Minus e. Here we write a minus e and minus 2e plus e. And plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. So this may be also written as a yx equal this one. So this one is a what? This one is a in term of a shift operator. So if we try to write in a more simplified form, means this one is a e square minus e yx equal what? X square plus 2x plus 1. Just we see what we written here, this one. And if we try to write in forward difference operator, in terms of a forward difference operator, here if we write just above to this one, means del square yx plus del yx equal what? X square plus 2x plus 1. So if we only try to write in terms of a y and x, just we operate the shift operator over y. So what is the value of e square yx? If we simplify this one, e square yx minus eyx equal what? X square plus 2x plus 1. So as we know that shift operator shifted the value 1 in a positive direction. So what is the value of e of a yx? This become yx plus 1. Yx plus 1 if the value of our class interval is a 1. So this one e square yx, this become yx plus 2. Yx plus 2 equal what? Equal x square plus 2x plus 1. So if we closely observe here, there are three form of a difference equation here we written. First one is this one, only in term of a y and x. Y and x. So this one is a in term of a shift operator. We encircle this one in term of a shift operator. In term of a shift operator. And this one in term of a what? In term of a forward difference operator. This one in term of a difference equation, difference equation in term of a forward difference, in term of a forward difference operator. Forward difference operator. This one is a difference equation in term of a shift operator. Shift operator. Shift difference operator. Shift difference operator. And last one is a in term of a dependent and independent variable. In term of a independent and dependent variable. Dependent variables. So these are the different form of a difference equation. So either we write in form of a forward difference operator, or we write in term of a shift difference operator, or we write in term of a independent and dependent operator. So when we write any difference equation in terms of a shift operator, so what is the general form of a difference equation? If we write a general form of a difference equation, general form of a difference equation, general form of a difference equation, difference equation, difference equation, general form of a difference equation. General form of a difference equation means here, if we closely observe, suppose this one is a first form, this one is a second form, and this one is a third form. If we closely observe the second form of a difference equation, this one is a means the coefficient of a yx is a any function of a e, means any function of a e. So if we try to generalize the equation 2, you may write this one in terms of a function of a e yx equal any function of x phi x. So this one is a what? This one is a general form of a difference equation here. This one is a function of a e. Any function of a e means any function of a shift operator operated over the dependent variable y are equal to phi x, any function of a independent variable. So this one is a general form of a difference equation, and from this general form of a difference equation you may also write in a third form, you may also write in a first form by using the relation equal means del equal e minus 1 or equal del plus 1. You may write the from this general form to the first one, means you write equal del plus 1, then from second one we able to find out a first one, and from second one we able to find third one if we operate the shift operator over a dependent variable. So this one is a general form of a difference equation. So in a different book means there is a different form of a difference equation, either in terms of an independent or dependent variable, or in terms of a shift operator, or in terms of a forward difference operator. Maybe in some book the difference equation is written in a term of a backward difference operator also, means in term of a central difference operator, in term of any difference operator, not only forward, backward or shift operator. You may also write any difference equation in term of a any difference operator, because we know that all the difference operator are related to each other, means be able to express shift operator in term of a forward difference operator, also we express the shift operator in term of a backward difference operator. So what we conclude here means what is the difference equation? Difference equation is a relation between independent variable and successive differences of a dependent variable. Successive differences of a dependent variable means any operator, with the help of any operator be able to find out a successive differences, means either with the help of a forward difference, or with the help of a backward difference, or with the help of a central difference. Now, as in a starting we say that this one is a similar to the differential equation. So in a differential equation there is a concept of order and degree. So in a similar manner here also we try to define, means there is a concept of we try to define means there is a concept of a order and degree of any difference equation. So what is the definition of a difference order of any difference equation? Here already we written this definition of order of any difference equation. So according to the definition of order of any difference equation, the order of a difference equation is the difference between highest and lowest subscript of y after making the difference equation free from deltas. Free from deltas or free from any difference operator, maybe the difference equation is given in term of delta means a forward difference operator, then first we make the difference equation free from delta. If the difference equation is given in term of a shift operator, then also we first make the difference equation free from shift operator. If the difference equation is given in term of a backward difference operator, then first we make the difference equation free from backward difference operator. Then how we define the order? Very simple. Just we find the difference of a highest and lowest subscript. So first we take a very simple example in which there is no any involvement of any difference equation. Means we write a difference equation in terms of a dependent and independent variables. For example, if we try to write an example here, example 1 means y x plus 2 minus 3yx plus 1 plus 1 plus 4yx equal 7x square plus cos x. Suppose this one is a difference equation. So this one is already free from any difference operator. There is no any involvement of any difference operator. So what is the order? Order become order equal order for this one is a highest subscript subscript minus lowest subscript So what is the highest subscript? Here if we closely observe this difference equation, highest subscript is a x plus 2, yx plus 2, yx plus 1, yx, and what is the lowest subscript? Lowest subscript is a x. So what is the difference of these two? Difference of these two is a 2. So what is the order of this difference equation? Order of this difference equation is a order of this difference equation is a 2. So order is a 2. Highest subscript is a x plus 2 and lowest subscript is a x. So difference of these two. Now if we talk about a second example in which there is an involvement of any difference operator. For example, we write example 2. Here we write del square yx plus yx equal x square. We take this example. So what is the definition? First, making the difference equation free from delta. So just we write a delta in term of you may write this one directly in form of a what? In term of x and y. You may also write this one in term of x and y using the shift operator. So how we use this one? If we the value of h is a 1, here we assume that the value of h is a class interval is a 1. So what is the del 2yx? Del 2yx, as we know that, what is the del yx? Del yx is a yx plus 1 minus yx, okay, and del yx plus 1 equal what? Yx plus 2 minus yx plus 1, and what is the del 2yx? Del 2yx equal del yx plus 1 minus del yx. So here if we write del yx plus 1, this become yx plus 2, x plus 2 minus yx plus 1. Del yx means here we write minus yx plus 1 plus yx. So just put the value of here. Here just put the value of del 2 yx. This become yx plus 2 yx plus 2 minus y 2yx plus 1, sorry, 2yx plus 1, x plus 1 plus yx and this plus yx equal what? X square. So what is the difference equation? Difference equation become y x plus 2 minus 2yx plus 1 plus 2yx equal x square. Now this difference equation is now free from any difference operator. So what is the order of this difference equation? Now we make this one free from any difference operator. So what is the highest order? Order we come here, if we write order equal, what is the highest subscript? Highest subscript is a x plus 2. And what is the lowest subscript? Lowest subscript is a x. So what is the, after simplification, what is the result? Result is a 2. So what is the order of this difference equation? Order of this difference equation is also a 2. Order of this difference equation is also a 2. So you may also simplify this difference equation using the shift operator also. Means you may convert from this one to this one directly using the definition of a delta or using the relation of a shift operator, then using the definition of a what? Using the definition of a shift operator. How we convert this one? So as we say that what is the difference equation? Difference equation is a del square yx plus yx equal what? X square, as here we written this one. Okay. So if we use the shift operator, now what we are going to do here? Here we are going to do means we try to convert this difference equation in term of a y and x using the shift operator. So just use the relation del equal e minus 1, where e is a what? E is a shift operator. So here e minus 1 whole square yx plus yx equal what? X square. So if we simplify this one, this become e square plus 1 minus 2e yx plus yx equal what? X square. So if we simplify more, then this become what? E square minus 2e plus 2 yx equal x square. And we operate the shift operator over yx, then this become e square yx minus 2e yx plus 2yx equal what? X square. So if the h equal 1, then e square yx is a y x plus 2 minus e of a yx is a 2 of yx plus 1 plus 2yx equal what? Equal x square. So if we closely observe, the difference equation that we obtain using the shift operator is equal to the difference equation that directly using the definition of a forward difference operator here we obtain. Means we denote this one is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2 and next one is equation number 3, then equation second and third both are similar. So there are different way of a conversion. Means either you use the first you convert using the shift operator from forward difference operator into a shift difference operator, then using the definition of a shift operator you convert in term of a y and x. You may also directly convert the difference equation, means a del square yx plus yx equal x square using the definition of a forward difference operator, because what is the definition of a forward difference operator? Del yx equal yx plus 1 minus yx. Here we consider h equal 1. If h is a, if we enter general term, how we define the del yx equal what? Yx plus h minus yx. But here we consider that h is a 1. That's why here we write del yx equal yx plus 1. And here we know that e of yx equal yx plus h, x plus h, but here we consider h is a 1, so e of yx is a yx plus 1 if h is a 1. So in this way we able to convert the any difference equation written in form of a forward difference operator or shift operator or backward difference operator in term of a dependent and independent variable. Then the difference between forward highest subscript and lowest subscript. So what is the order here? Order become x plus 2 minus x. This one is a 2. So this one is a order. Now next we are going to discuss about a so like a order of any difference equation. If we define the degree of any difference equation, the degree of a difference equation is the highest power of a y of a difference equation after making it free from difference operators. So for example, if I write here example, first we write a difference equation which is already free from any difference operator. For example, y x plus 2 plus yx plus 1 minus 3yx equal cos x. So this is free from any difference operator, means this one is relation between dependent and independent variable. So what is the degree here? Highest power of a y, the power of a yx plus 2 is also a 1, power of a yx plus 1 is also a 1, power of a yx is also a 1. So what is the degree of this one? Degree of this difference equation is a 1. So if we talk about the order is a difference between highest and lowest subscript. So this one is x plus 2 minus x. What is the order? Order is a 2. So if we take another example, which I've already means there is an involvement of what there is an involvement of any difference operator. For example, here we write another example and try to find out a degree and order of that difference equation. For example, here we write yx into yx plus 1 square minus yx plus 2 yx yx plus 5yx equal x square plus 7x plus 2. So what is the degree of this one is a what? This one is a free from any difference operator. So what is the highest power of a y? Here highest power of a y is a what? In a first term, highest power of a y is a 2. In second term, highest power of a y is a 1. In third term, highest power of a y is a 1. So what is the degree? Degree become 2. And what is the order? Order in this case become difference of highest subscript x plus 2 minus x lowest subscript. What is the order? Order is also a 2. So this one is a difference equation in which degree is a 2 and order is also a 2. So now we are in a position to identify means define a difference equation and find out order and degree of any difference equation. So now next we are going to discuss about